Smells like you're not going to make enough money when you sell your house. Let's talk about smells and getting your home ready for the market. So one of the biggest things, and there's a reason Maxwell's in this video. One of the biggest things that is a huge turnoff for people when they're coming to tour your house is weird smells. And maybe they're not weird to you, but overwhelming pet smells, also strong food smells, or maybe your teenage son's, gym closet that's full of his stinky shoes and things like that. So let's talk about some of the ways to get those smells out before the buyers come in and get turned right off and head back out the front door. First, whatever you do, please don't think that you can solve everything by plugging in an air freshener, because you can't, and everybody knows that you're trying to hide something and you're not fooling anybody. Number two, if you have carpets or textiles in your home, you probably know they save a lot of smells. They hold on to things really well. If you get a good quality steam cleaner or spring for a professional to come over, trust me, does not cost that much. For a couple of $100s, you can really make a big difference on getting those carpets cleaned, cleaning your sofa, any curtains that you might have that are hanging onto some of those smells. If you've got bigger smells, we also have a couple of companies that do ozone cleaning. They'll come in and really clean the air and get a lot of those smells that are hanging in paneling or other sorts of materials in your home. And it's pretty amazing how much they can suck out of the atmosphere so that it smells clean and fresh in your home. You also want to make sure that while your house is on the market, just don't cook things that are really, really smelly. Even though that fish that's in the garlic sauce and those Brussels sprouts might taste delicious, trust me, for the next 2 or 3 days, the buyers are not going to feel like that's delicious. And it really will turn people off, even if they understand that that was just your dinner on Tuesday night. Just go out to eat if you've got to have that, and keep the house smelling clean and fresh as much as you can. This is another delicate subject. Change your sheets. I cannot stress to you about how much bed linens start to smell, and it's something that a lot of people are nose blind to. So that can go a long way towards making your bedrooms feel like a respite, a sanctuary, like a place that the potential buyers would want to come home to, sleep in. If they smell, I'm not going to give any adjectives here. If they smell, it's not appealing and they don't want to be there. So keep everything cleaned, washed, disinfected, steam your carpets, change your shower curtains, anything that can hold on to smells. Keep those things clean and fresh while your home is on the market. It really will make a big difference. But if you want to add a little extra scent, make sure that you're doing it with things that smell cleaner or natural. So think lemons, lemon juice, or get one of the little recipes that you can find online for a little stovetop potpourri that just smells like you're cooking something delicious, like apples or cinnamon, vanilla, that sort of smell. The artificial scents are over, and people pick up on those immediately that you're trying to camouflage something that does not smell so good. So if you want to get top dollar for your house, smells are a great way to make or break that deal. If you have questions or you wonder, does my house smell like cat? Does my house smell like dog? Give me a call, because I promise you, I'll tell you, and we'll make sure it doesn't by the time those potential buyers are walking through the door.